By starting your engine. Oh, she's on the phone. Is she actually using it? Yeah, I can see her typing. It's definitely a phone. I can see the screen. I can see the... Oh yeah! I can see the text on the screen. You see what this is? What's happening there? ML18UXZ red Peugeot. Parked in the cycle lane and on the pavement. Very shitty. Clearly typing. I can see that it's a phone.